Well, hello everyone, it's Johnny back again. Just finished teaching a student Reiki Level 1. So it was a wonderful day, beautiful day, very healing day. And I thought I would follow that up with doing a little meditation here, sending everyone out there some peaceful healing Reiki energy. So I have a deck of cards as well for Reiki cards. So I thought I'd bring those along and maybe use those. So hopefully you can see them. So the first card that comes up is Biosyn Scanning. So that's all about scanning the body, scanning the area, the aura, the energy field, to see what kind of healing energy that person needs. So I guess that's a pretty good card to get. So I guess what I'm going to do is scan the energy of the people watching out there and determine where you need the healing the most, and then I'm going to focus on that and see what other cards come up. I'm going to pick the top 3. That's the message I'm getting. So one of the areas that I'm going to be working on, and that you can also place your hands to, is the back of your head. So that will help to open up your crown and to put the past behind you, to help you focus on the present and the future. So you can go ahead and put your hands on the back of your head like that and just be open and receptive to feel healing energy coming in. Everybody has access to Reiki energy. Just when you get attuned to it, it's even more powerful energy. But anyone has this energy, so you can go ahead and put your hands there, back of your head, and let that energy flow. Just focus on opening up to healing energy to allow it to come through. And just imagine seeing this healing white light, golden white light coming through. And just allow it to flow. Put the past behind you and stabilize yourself and your thoughts. And finally, the last card that came up today is a new technique. So let's see what it says. A new healing method will be presented to you in a book you've recently read or about to read, or from a friend, or from some other experience. So use it. So I guess I'll be using some other techniques that I learned about. So I guess that's what that message is about. And there's 2 cards stuck together, so let me go ahead and see what the other card says. Send Reiki to an enlightened being and ask for help. So that's what I'm going to do as well. I'm going to send healing energy to an enlightened being. We have lots of enlightened beings. Just call on one of them, focus on them, and you can request help from them as well. So I'm going to do a combination of all those things. So thank you for joining me. First off, make yourself comfortable. And again, if you want to start off with the hands on the back of your head, and just allow that energy to start flowing through, I'm going to call upon the Reiki energy. So again, close your eyes and relax. Reiki on, Reiki on, Reiki on. And just imagine beautiful healing energy coming in, beautiful healing light. We're going to start with focusing it on the back of your head. And just imagine feeling that energy in the back of your head, all around your head. And allow that healing energy, that gentle healing energy, to calm your mind, make peace with the past, take the lessons that came with experiences of the past, only keep those lessons, let the memories go, and use those lessons as you move forward in life for the present and the future. And I'm just going to go ahead and scan the energy out there. And I'm going to focus the energy on the heart area. That's where the heart and the knee and the back. That's where I feel, and the foot. Those are the areas that are coming up for me. So I'm going to focus the energy around your heart area. So just imagine pink healing energy all around your heart. Pink for unconditional love and acceptance of yourself exactly as you are, without judgment. So feel that pink energy around your heart. Allow it to flow from me to you. And just focus on accepting you like you are. Accept others. Most importantly, accept yourself. And just continue to surround yourself in this pink healing energy. Imagine it flowing from me to you. And just continue to receive it around your heart. And let it envelop you. And then we're going to focus on the knee area. The knees are all about moving forward in your life, taking the steps on your journey, adapting. So focus on your knees. We're going to focus on red energy now, powerful red energy, so you can move forward with confidence. You can take care of yourself. You are connected with the earth. Make peace with your past and keep moving forward and adapting to the changing situations. So just see that red energy around your knees, circling there, releasing any other blocks that come up for you. And just know that you can step forward with confidence and strength, one step at a time. Keep moving forward. You can and you will do it. Keep affirming to yourself, I can and I will move forward. I will adapt and overcome, and I am, and I will. I have, I am, and I will continue to do that. And then focus on your feet. Again, this is about stepping forward, following your path, one step at a time. So again, that red energy, that red light energy around your feet, helping you to become aware of the steps to take. And just feel that energy coming from me to you, through my hands to your feet, and allow it to flow. And just be open and receptive to it. And now I'm going to call upon an enlightened being to join us. One of the ascended masters, our angels, archangels, guardian angels, all these beautiful ascended beings, light beings, to join us and be with us. And in particular, I'm going to call upon Moses, who was such a great leader. I'm going to ask him to work with me and through me so I can help lead you through this healing process. I'm going to call upon Quan Yin, who's known for her gentleness and compassion and her love, her unquestionable, unwavering, non-judgmental love and acceptance. I'm going to allow her energy to flow through me as well to you, so that you feel that compassion and self-love, self-acceptance. I'm going to call upon Shambala energy, a different form of energy, a multi-dimensional form of energy healing, to flow through me. Shambala on, Shambala on, Shambala on. I'm going to open up with their prayer. I am the monad. I am the light divine. I'm love. I am will. I'm source's perfect design. I am the Mahatma. I am that I am. Mother, Father, God, I'm one with you. I am an instrument of your will. I am the silver violet fire. I am the purity God desires. I am that I am. And just allow that beautiful, powerful, multicolored, multifaceted, multidimensional healing energy to come through. And we're going to finish this healing session by allowing that energy to flow. And just stay open and receptive and continue to receive. And thank you for joining.